very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is planet Mercury, the mystic prince, messenger of awareness and adaptability. Ladies and gentlemen, in the vast orchestration of the cosmos, where planets move in silent grandeur, there exists one that neither dominates the sky nor lingers long enough to command attention, yet holds within it a profound mystery. Mercury, the first planet from the Sun, remains immersed in its brilliance, often hidden from direct view and revealed only in fleeting moments of twilight to those who observe with precision and patience. Its presence is brief, its motion swift, and its nature extreme. It does not announce itself. It quietly tests the alertness of the observer. To witness Mercury is not merely to look upward, but to become attentive to timing, subtlety, and fleeting opportunities of perception. Closest to the Sun, at an average distance of about 58 million kilometers, Mercury exists under an intensity that defines its very nature. It is the smallest planet in the solar system, with no natural moon accompanying it and a gravitational pull that is only about 38% of that on Earth. Yet within this modest scale resides extraordinary dynamism. Mercury moves faster than any other planet, traveling at nearly 47 kilometers per second and completing an orbit around Sun in just 88 Earth days. In contrast, it spins slowly, almost perfectly upright, taking about 59 Earth days to turn once on its axis, resulting in no seasons on Mercury. Further, such interplay creates a rare rhythm where a single day measured from one sunrise to the next extends to 176 Earth days, longer than its own year. Its surface, marked by countless craters, vast plains, and ancient cliffs, preserves a near pristine record of the early solar system. Among these features lies the immense calories basin, a silent testimony to powerful cosmic impacts from a distant past. Mercury's environment is defined by extremes. Daytime temperature can rise to around 430 degrees Celsius, while nights plunge to nearly minus 180 degrees. With almost no atmosphere to retain heat, it remains exposed, unfiltered, and uncompromising. Yet within this harshness lies a quiet surprise. In permanently shadowed regions near its poles where sunlight never reaches, deposits of water ice continue to exist, suggesting that even in the most intense conditions, preservation is possible where stillness prevails. Despite its small size, Mercury possesses a massive iron core which occupies 85% of its radius, providing it with a global magnetic field, indicating that deep within this partially molten core continues to generate subtle dynamism. Its orbital behavior, coming from the most elliptical and inclined orbit of all planets in the solar system, a phenomena largely driven by the sun's gravity bending space-time, provided early proof of Einstein's general relativity, thus contributing profoundly to human understanding and reshaping the foundations of modern physics. A lesser known yet fascinating characteristic is its precise orbital resonance, rotating 3 times for every 2 revolutions around the Sun. This delicate synchronization reflects an inherent order, a balance maintained not by force but by alignment over immense spans of time. Exploration missions such as Messenger and the ongoing Bepi Colombo continue to deepen understanding of this enigmatic world. In Indian cosmology, Mercury is revered as Buddha Graha, one of the Navagrahas, often regarded as the prince among planets. It symbolizes intellect, communication, logic, and analytical clarity, influencing mental agility and the refinement of speech. The day Wednesday, known as Budhavar, is dedicated to this planet, embedding its presence within the rhythm of life. Mythological associations connect Buddha with both Lord Vishnu and Lord Ganesha, symbolizing wisdom, balance, and the removal of obstacles in thought and expression. What's the way forward? The nature of planet Mercury points toward a refined inner faculty that can be consciously developed. Greater attentiveness in observation allows perception to become sharper and more accurate. Clarity in communication ensures that thought is expressed without distortion. Discernment in decision making enables responses that are balanced rather than reactive. In a world increasingly driven by speed and information, the ability to remain composed, precise, and aware becomes a defining strength. When movement is guided by clarity, action transforms into effectiveness rather than mere activity. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, a timeless wisdom emerges from the revered Bhagavad Gita, where Lord Krishna profoundly declares, yoga is excellence in action. Planet Mercury stands as a celestial embodiment of this principle, where speed is guided by awareness, intellect is refined by clarity, and action is shaped by discernment. And in that quiet realization, planet Mercury reveals its deeper essence, not merely as the swiftest planet, nor only as the mystic prince among celestial bodies, but as the messenger of awareness and adaptability, reminding that true mastery lies in seeing clearly, moving wisely, and acting with precision. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.